Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UNO app. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about UNO and you will click this page. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.